So, I just finished make myself some food, and I am waiting for my friends to join me on Discord call. I made myself microwave melted. I don't know what you call this. Melty cheese and bread, and then I made a cup of noodles. It's the Korean barbecue flavored, and it's really nice actually. Out of all the cup noodles I've had, this one's my favorite. And I just got done recording a podcast episode that's gonna be uploaded for Sunday, and now I am just kind of relaxing for a little bit before I have to record the game footage for it, and then I got a few other projects. Okay, this is too hot. This is still too hot. But I have a few other projects for YouTube that I want to start working on. That they're not for anyone else's enjoyment but my own. I wonder, is the cheese melted enough to where it does that like TV commercial style cheese where it stretches? You know what I'm talking about? Let's see here. I'm gonna. Oh, it does. Yes. I am lactose intolerant, by the way. So this is gonna feel nice to me. mm. Mm-hmm. Monterey Jack. So nice. Yep, that's still hot. Yep, that's still hot. Hasn't changed. Still the same temperature a few seconds ago. Okay, well, this is my life for now. It's just me opening soda cans, eating microwave melted cheese and bread, and eating cup of noodles. So good. So fun. Waiting for my friends to hop on Discord. I've been waiting for an hour. I don't know when they'll be on, but hopefully it's soon. Radical. Very, very good vlog. Very good. Very awesome. I'm so good at making these.